Welcome to the Bluethirst YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over how Facebook Pixel can help maximize your sales and revenue. So, to know how Facebook Pixel can help you must first understand how you could be losing revenue in the first place. As of right now in 2021, we have found 70% of shoppers abandon their basket right before checkout, which is an absolutely crazy statistic when you think about it. Now, Facebook Pixel can help supercharge your remarketing strategy and target the customers who abandoned their basket. How Facebook Pixel works is it is able to track user activity on your website and gathers data you can use in your next ad campaigns. This data that the Pixel gathers leaves cookies in the user's browser cache, and then you can later reuse these when building an audience. Now you finally know what cookies are. These new ad campaigns can now be targeted at people who perform certain actions while shopping on your website, such as items they viewed, items they added to their basket, and how far they got through the checkout process. After using Facebook Pixel, you'll have successfully remarketed to those customers who abandoned their baskets in the first place. You're much more likely to gain a new sale and boost your revenue now. And as always, thank you for watching, and if you want any expert help marketing your business, don't hesitate to visit our website www.bluethirst.co.uk and book an appointment today.